Curious about Workday's new Global Payroll Connect? You're not alone. As an official Workday Innovation Partner with full GPC integration certification, we've been talking about it with payroll professionals around the world. And these are the most common questions we get asked. What is Global Payroll Connect? Let's start at the basics. GPC acts as a bridge between Workday and your payroll providers, enabling seamless data exchange between them and making global payroll easier to manage. The main goal of GPC is to automate and provide visibility into the whole payroll cycle. Can I use it straight away? Yes and no. Yes, it is fully launched and available, but you must have a certified integration partner, like Payslip, to bring the payroll data into and out of Workday. How much does it cost? From a Workday perspective, if you're already part of the Cloud Connect for third-party payroll program, then there is no additional charge. Otherwise, we recommend contacting your Workday Customer Success Manager to understand the pricing. There is a charge for working with the integration partner, which is determined by the scope and scale of the work required. How long does implementation take and how much effort is required? This is one of the real benefits of GPC. The implementation is relatively simple, and you certainly don't need to contract an implementation partner to do it. From our perspective, Payslip has a pre-built integration that will harmonize all employee payroll data into a pay-run file that's ready to use by your local payroll vendors. Why move away from PECI files? And can I use PECI and GPC together? If you've already invested in setting up PECI files, we recommend a hybrid approach. For example, you could continue using PECI if it's working well for you, but then leverage GPC and in particular the data changes on demand feature instead for smaller or long-tail countries. It's all about using GPC to enhance your current setup without needing to start from scratch. One thing we would point out though is that GPC removes the burden away from you, the client, when it comes to setting up new integrations. The integration partner takes care of all of this. What if I need new data fields to be included in the integration? No problem. The integration is pre-built to transfer all data available in the employee profile. If Workday decides to add new sections in their core data model and include them in DCOD, or data changes on demand, Payslip will maintain the update of the integration. Can I use some GPC functionality, like data changes on demand, but not all? Absolutely. GPC is flexible, so you can adopt the features you need now and expand later if you want. We expect that a lot of companies will take this phased approach. What if I don't have all my payroll data in Workday? Not an issue. Payslip is the only vendor-agnostic platform that ties together all your Workday and non-Workday payroll data from any vendor anywhere in the world. No matter where it lives, we bring it into one unified system. So there you have it. Got any more questions? Feel free to reach out to the Payslip team and let's make Global Payroll Connect work for you.